Right, folks. So a lot of people come onto the Telegram channel and their question is, when I run a entry in the execution list, I would like a report to be generated. And then I would like that report sent via email to a bunch of people, for example, some stakeholders. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is basically get familiar with the knowledge base, and you have to navigate to Tricentis Home Tosca Commander. So I'll show you what that looks like. That doesn't exist. Okay, I'll show you what happens when you follow the instructions. So we see there's nothing there, so the instructions are wrong. Maybe go back a directory. There we go. Tosca Commander. Dir start.config. So there we go. There's the TC shell. So we want to edit that. We open up the studio. We can see TC shell. What's important to see here is the section group and user settings. So what we have to do is we have to copy one of these in its entirety. So Shift N. There we go. So let's copy that. Paste it in like that. We've got a copy of it, okay? So that one is identical to the one above it, okay? And we're supposed to, so under the section copy and paste the previous existing section, replace the name with whatever it is with that. Tricentis TC add-ins reporting properties settings. So let's replace the name with that, okay? I'm assuming we leave the rest of the stuff like that. That's why we copied it, right? And just replace the name with that. Now under user settings, now copy that. Control F to search for it. There's your user settings. There's the section, okay? User settings. And we have to add in that, okay? So let's go here. Put it down at the end. And there's our new little section, okay? And we can open it, close it. Tricentis TC add-ins reporting property settings. Tricentis TC add-ins reporting property settings, okay? This is what allows the shell to create reports without any user interactions. Note the value of the property print output format must be set to none in the report definition. That's the default value. Okay. Now this must be saved to Tricentis all users app data settings. Let's just see if that exists, right? So cd dir. Well, there is a settings folder, okay, that's good. There's not much there. And we're dealing with XML, so is the XML stuff stored in here? Okay. So it's in that. Okay, so it says we're supposed to save it to here. Let's go back to our file. Do file, save as. / settings. Save. So if you do a dir now, there's our file, okay? Cool. Once TC shell is launched, it will use the file of this directory. Run your scripts. Does TC shell get launched automatically? I don't know. Now run your scripts. Okay. Example scripts have been attached. TC shell infers from your script what file type you want to report. For example, in the example script, our task uses a file path as an argument, indicating we want to save the file as a PDF. Task print report execution entries with actual log as a PDF. It seems like there's missing information here. Like, how do we go from... Okay, we can run the scripts, okay. Or, sorry, run your scripts. Example scripts have been attached, and then we go to that. Let's have a look at these scripts, okay. Open shell. Sample bat file. Tricentis home Tosca commander. TC shell. Workspace. Tosca projects. Tosca workspaces. Obstacle things. Obstacle things.tws. Users Danu. 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 Shell TCS. Login is that. So open the TC shell. You must designate your workspace and TCS file. Find these in your C drive. Default user is admin. Pause. I don't know. I'm just wondering how 190 people have given this, like, maybe have given a 5-star. Admin mode on. Jump to wherever you have your test.exe. Your test? That's a space. Okay. Task run. Save your work. Print report. Execution entries with actual log. Save your files. I haven't got a clue. I honestly haven't got a clue what's going on here. I don't know what is specific to the person who wrote this. Or can I just copy and paste this? Where do I even put it, like? I don't know. Questions on a postcard, guys. Hopefully the Telegram group can help me.